Addressing the G20 education ministers meet in Pune today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged all G20 countries to create a path for increased research collaborations. President Draupadi Murmu today presented the National Florence Nightingale Award 2022 and 2023 to nurses for their distinguished service at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Fitch Ratings has raised India's GDP forecast to 6.3% from 6% for current fiscal year. A section of the newly built Purno Sangma Stadium in Tura, West Garo Hills collapsed this morning due to incessant rains. In the Taipei Open Badminton Tournament, third seed HS Pranoy defeated Indonesian veteran Tommy Sugarto 21-9, 21-17 today to storm into men's single quarterfinals.